Welcome to week 7 of my CMIT 454 CCNA Security. We're working on the version 2 curriculum. Alright, so this week there is no reading. We are continuing on the CCNA Security paper requirements. Also, any late assignments, get those assignments in as quickly as you can. We are this week and next week, and that's it. So again, make sure all late assignments are turned in as quickly as you can. Again, your grade is going to be based off discussions, labs, and those exams. The paper and final. One paper, one final. So I really focus on the first three: discussions, labs, and the individual chapter exams. If you've missed them, go back and do them. I don't mind giving you credit, but I need to see that you completed them. Activity this week, we got 3 discussions: Packet Tracer, Beyond Cisco ASAs. We're going to be reviewing course content. We have 2 remaining labs, Lab 9311 and 11311 as well. We're talking about the integration challenge and configuring ASA basic settings. Again, there's no chapter exams this week, but if you've missed any other exams, get those turned in as quickly as you can. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out and I'll get those answered as quickly as I can. And I will look forward to seeing you in the discussion board. Thank you.